What up? All right, look at this Krispy Kreme setup. We literally, New York session people did. Everybody who was in the New York session this morning, I told you guys that sometimes you're going to get some fake breakouts. And I said, all you have to do is draw a trend line across the top, just as what I'm doing here. And I said, once you get a candle close, which we have right here, and let me make it bigger so everybody can see, literally, we just ended class like 30 minutes ago. Literally. We had the slant pattern. I said, be careful. I don't know because it's bouncing off support. Did I not say this? I said, so we look to the left and there you go. Support. This is why sometimes you're going to get fake breaks. What do you do in the situations? What did I just teach y'all today? Boy, I just want to make me take my belt off. I literally said, okay, if you get a fake break, you're going to lose some fake break trades. Ain't nothing you can do about it. But here's what a professional person will do. I said, you draw that trend line right across the top. Once you get a candle close right above it, you already know you can hop in at that point. And let me make this bigger so y'all can all see it live and in color, like that old show, In Living Color. So I said, the professionals, what we do is we'll take the trade, put our stop right below that candle, the low candle right here, and wait. And as it's climbing back up, waiting for it to break above the upper line, we've already made more profit. And what do you see here? But if you want to wait for a double confirmation, then you will wait for the candle to close above your break line. Right here, we had the candle close above the break line. You would have been platinum. And if you would did the homework, like I told you guys, because I told you, sometimes the market will not move during our trading session. We can see the setup, but we cannot tell it when to do it. Okay, we cannot tell it when. We can tell it what to do. We can look at what it's going to potentially do, but can't tell it when to do it. So you have to have patience. However, look what happened. Lord have mercy. We literally just we just shut off class 30 minutes ago. And look what this thing did. This is 6J, the very pair I told you about. Look at this. Boom. Get in right here. This thing blasted off into the moon. Let's take a look at this one. Okay. This is 6A. Nice potential move to the upside. It did the same thing. Look, slant pattern, candle break. There you go. And this one is here. And I am in this trade. Let's take a look at another one. Everything that I told you guys. Okay, this one doing the same. This is 6B. 6B. Did I not mark it up back here? See the fake break right here? Fake break. It didn't consistently go down. Wait for the candle close. Put your stop below this level here and then wait. And it hovered, and then boom, broke and hit target. Y'all see what I'm saying? I told you this. Did I not? And let's go to the indice pairs. I told you. I said they are doing a sharp pullback, and I marked them up. Oh my goodness. What? I just need to take my, but I told y'all, see, it didn't go all the way down. They were doing fake breaks because they were doing higher pullbacks on the higher time frame. Just short little pullbacks on the higher time frame. That's what they were doing. That's why you get these fake breaks. Okay? That's why that happens sometimes. So this is why I check the higher time frames first and then go from there. Okay, family? All right, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I got a video coming out in this afternoon, probably in 30 minutes to an hour. And that video is about me passing the prop firm challenge on these trades, because for those who are in my Asian session last night, look, let's go to the higher time frame. I told you this thing last night was going to blast off. I told you that. And look what happened. Boom. So I passed a 50K challenge in a matter of a few hours. Okay. In a few hours. And on my Forex account, you'll see that, let me show you guys this, 139 pips on this trade. 100 and something on that one, You guys will see it, okay? You'll see the video, all right? So I'll post that up in a little bit. Bye.